Hi, welcome to my tutorial on how to create a site using Google Sites. First, I'll show you how I created the site, then I'll show you how I added pages, and after that, I will use the commands to add links, resources, change the colors of the site, and create horizontal tabs. I chose this tool because I could build my site from the ground up. While the tool does give you the option of creating more professional sites using templates, I opted for something simple by going with a blank template and creating a site from the ground up. And I also used an older version. So to create the site, I logged into my Google account and I clicked on Sites from the menu. And then I clicked on Create in Classic Sites because I want to use the classic version. So I'm going to use a blank template because I wanted to just build it myself from the ground up. And I have to pick out a name for the site, and I'm going to name this, because I'm just using this as a demo, Final Project 1. And then I selected a theme. And there are a lot of different themes down here to choose from, so I'm just going to randomly select one. And after I do that, I'm going to click Create. And my site was created. So the next thing I had to do was set up pages. And to do that, I clicked on the page icon. And if you hover over it, it says Create Page. And this allowed me to type in the name of a page and click Create and save to create the page. And so I clicked on it, and I can here I can type in the name of the page that I want. And I can click on Create. And then I'll have another page that I can work with. And then I want to save what I'm doing, so I saved it. And I'm just going to create another page. Click Create. And I have another page. Okay, so I don't really like my pages lined up across the side of the page like that, so I wanted to make more tabs across the top of the page. And to do that, I went to the More arrow. First I had to save what I was doing. Then I had to go to the More Actions drop down. And then I scrolled down to Edit Site Layout. And up here you can see that there are commands that tell the site whether or not you want it to have horizontal navigation or a sidebar. I want horizontal navigation, and this gives me the option of enabling that. So I'm going to click on that, and there I have a tab. So that's going to help me to create tabs across the top of my page. So how do I get these pages to appear across the top? So I double click this, the Home tab, and it gave me the option. It opened up a window which is giving me the option to add pages. So what I'm going to do is click on the pages that I want to add and click on Add Page again and click OK. And there I have my pages across the top. Okay, so the next thing is I don't like this sidebar over here because it makes the site look a little cluttered. So I'm going to click on this sidebar tab and disable that. And that gets rid of the sidebar. Okay, so that takes care of that. And so I'm going to close this. And I don't have to save it because it automatically saves it. Alright, so the next thing that I want to do is add a YouTube video. And in order to do that, I have to go into edit mode. So I have to click on this pencil up here, which is my edit tab. And in order to edit and add things, I click on insert. So you can see when I click on insert, I can add anything. I can add images, links, sub-page listings, lines, text boxes. But today I'm going to add a YouTube video. So the good thing about Google Sites is that it allows you to embed a YouTube video without using an embed code. So I simply copied the YouTube video link and pasted it into the space. So if I click on this YouTube insert, first if I go to insert, and click on YouTube, it gives me a box here that I can use to just paste the URL of the YouTube video. So the YouTube video that I'm going to use will be what is digital curation, because we are talking about that in class. I'm going to paste that into the box, and I can actually change the size of the video. And I can change the name of it. And I can click save. And there's my video. It's embedded onto my Final Project 13 page. And when I save that, it displays my video. And I can play it, I can listen to it, and that's how that's done. So the colors of the site were a little dull, so I went to my More tab again, and I scroll down to Manage Site. So on this page, there are all kinds of options over here. And I went to Themes, Colors, and Fonts. And because this was a little dull, I wanted to make it a little more colorful, so I chose the content area and I selected the color that I wanted to go in that area, and it showed me what it looked like. And it's sort of a lavender sort of thing. And after I did that, I clicked save, and it changed the colors of all of my pages. So I went back to my final project, and on all of my pages I have a different color, and I have a nice pretty YouTube video. So that is how I created my website with my links and my resources. So thank you for visiting, and I hope you enjoyed my tutorial.